Welcome to the ultimate DIY home organization guide. Transform your space with these simple tips. In this video, we will take you on a journey to create an organized and clutter-free haven in your own home. Get ready to unlock the secrets to effective home organization and discover practical tips, tricks, and DIY projects to transform your space. Whether you're a seasoned organizer or just getting started, this guide is filled with valuable insights and step-by-step instructions to help you achieve the organized home of your dreams. Join us as we delve into different areas of your home, providing tailored organization solutions for each. From decluttering your closets to optimizing kitchen storage, we leave no stone unturned. Learn how to effectively utilize storage bins, shelves, and creative repurposing techniques to maximize your space and minimize chaos. No matter the size or layout of your home, this guide offers practical advice to suit your needs and budget. In addition to the tangible aspects of organization, we'll also delve into the psychological benefits of living in an organized space. Discover how an organized home promotes mental clarity, reduces stress, and enhances productivity. We share valuable insights on maintaining your newly organized space, ensuring that it remains a sanctuary of serenity for years to come. Join our expert hosts as they walk you through easy and affordable DIY projects that will make your space both functional and visually appealing. From crafting personalized labels to creating storage solutions from everyday items, you'll be amazed at the transformative power of these simple tips. Are you tired of living in clutter? Struggle to find items in your own abode? Don't despair. We present to you the ultimate DIY home organization guide. Transform your space with simple tips. Packed with practical advice, this guide will aid you in cultivating a more orderly and effective living environment. Tip 1. Initiate small. Choose one room at a time and start decluttering. Evaluate your possessions and discriminate between what you need and what can be donated or discarded. Tip 2. Optimize storage. Utilize every corner of your home for storage. Think about employing storage bins, shelves, or hanging organizers to exploit vertical space. Tip 3. Embrace labels. Labels are the secret weapon of organization lovers. Labeling shelves, boxes, and containers will expedite your search. Tip 4. Construct a functional entryway. Ensure your entryway is devoid of clutter by using hooks, shoe racks, and baskets for items like coats, keys, and shoes. Tip 5. Incorporate a cleaning schedule. Reserve specific days for various cleaning chores such as laundry, vacuuming, and dusting. Consistency is the key. Tip 6. Get creative. Repurpose everyday items for organizing your home. For instance, a shoe organizer can be used for storing cleaning supplies or a hanging fruit basket for bathroom essentials. Tip 7. Invest in dual-purpose furniture. Opt for furniture that serves more than one function, like a coffee table with built-in storage or a bed frame with drawers. This is just a sneak peek into the ultimate DIY home organization guide. Reclaim your space and sanity. Stay tuned and remember to subscribe to our channel for innovative tips and tricks to create your dream home.